Alright, I'm going to be going over some collision prevention settings in PX4 using a single rangefinder. So go ahead and open up the safety tab and Q ground control, make sure CP is enabled. Then we're going to go and change some parameters, MPC position mode. We're going to set it to position mode 3, and this is non-default, so make sure you save it. Then we're going to go and change EKF2 range, make sure it's disabled. It is disabled by default, but if you have this enabled, it might give you issues with CP. Next, we're going to go change the CP settings. I've set my delay to 0, distance 1 meter, and I want to be able to move in directions without a sensor. Finally, I'm just going to verify that my distance sensor instance is in a forward facing position. So I've just look in the Mavlink console, and orientation 0 maps to forward facing, which is good. You can change that a couple ways. I've chosen to edit the startup script as I'm showing here, but you can also use the Mavlink console. The only problem there is you'd have to change it after every boot. If you param save, it won't save the orientation. Maybe there is a way, I haven't figured it out. And so that's pretty much it.